All right, guys, so we promised you this video, first camping trip down at Jellystone. We're going to share with you how we're setting up our RV, what we've purchased so far, the things that we like, and hopefully we can learn a little bit from you. So if we're doing something wrong, make sure to tell us. But also, I think part suggestions. She would love to buy some more stuff. So if you see something, let us know. But we're down here at Camp Jellystone, first real family camping trip.
Yep.
What are you thinking so far of Camp Jellystone?
Oh, I love it. So many amenities for the kids, and we've just had a blast every day.
Yeah, I mean, camping's pretty easy when you're at a resort here. I mean, like there's a pool with a waterfall, there's a swim up, or there's a bar, there's ice cream places, all sorts of stuff.
It's been rough.
Yeah, it's been rough. But first, let's turn around and let's show this bad boy. 38RVHUNTER in action. So first time setting up, we went with the Rhino Flex system with the clear kind of corner that goes into your sewer hose. I'm really liking that. First time draining this bad boy was today, so being able to see it was pretty darn clear. For our water system, we have the Nuvo H2O, so you're gonna have water softeners. It gets out the heavy metals. There's also a what is that other filter? Carbon filter in there as well, so pretty darn cool. But I mean, look at this thing shining up like justice. What are you thinking week one in this thing? We sticking out?
Oh, I love it. I could live in this full time.
I know, people coming up to us too and just saying hey, seeing the RV coming in, my goofy self hanging out on the back. But we got the patio here. Obviously this was the one part that Babe really wanted to do. Now we got a couple of our chairs. This one right over there is that Lippert Love Seat. I wouldn't say it's 10 out of 10 comfortable, but I'd give it a solid 7. Did you think it was really comfortable? I
think it's really comfortable. Yeah, I'm taking that thing with me to all the baseball games.
Okay, so the flat bellies out there think it's real comfortable. Now me as a bigger guy, when I was sitting down, it was kind of hugging up on the hips a little bit. But the sun deck's paying off now with the fact that we get to put the towels up there,
yeah,
dry them off. Babe went shopping for the totes earlier. Puts the old stinky slinky and all that when we're packing up. So if you guys want to see videos on how to dump your tanks, that would be cool too. And then I did a 3-minute video on this. Here, do you want to? Well, here. Yep. I did a 3-minute video on this. This is the Armis system. If you're not familiar with it, I'll put a link to my 3-minute tour that I did because a lot of people had questions. I posted a picture of it. Got 200,000 views, and then we got our wheel chocks, the blocks right there to keep everything nice and stable. But it's basically a 1/4 inch of steel to prevent from blowouts. Since Babe's suckering me into a Texas trip here, is that later this month or later next month?
The end of this month.
End of this month, heading down to Texas. One thing that I really like that we bought, if you want to hold the camera there, Babe. And you can see we're still newbies, as you can tell from the fireplace over there with all the boxes. I did get the Blackstone electric griddle, so we're going to be making, I call them peanut butter and jelly burgers. You call them stutter burgers.
I call them the stutter burgers.
She claims she taught me about it, but I don't know if she did. I don't know.
I brought this into his life.
But it's peanut butter, it's jelly, it's jalapenos, and it's bacon. We're going to do that. So again, comment if you guys want to see a little video on some cooking. Would you guys like to see Chef Boy RV in action, baby? But you want to handle the inside, go through and
sure.
Because this little lady, we started off, what was the first tape we used that didn't work?
We used some command strips.
Yeah, command strips.
And they worked for about an hour.
Yeah, and then it was falling off on the shelves for us. So we went with something that naturally will pretty much rip the skin off the wall if we ever take out.
Well, we use the alien tape. It's the double-sided, reusable kind of sticky tape.
Yeah.
And so they should be on there for the long haul.
10 out of 10. I think it's for the long haul. I think it's when we want to change walls it's on there so long.
We'll see.
Oh, babe, go over there into that kitchen area. Show them about what you got.
You already know.
My family's big ice snobs.
All of you told me I had to get a nugget ice maker. So we did. And we have not regretted it.
No, we have not.
Every day.
I think the people want a little nugget taste test here. Why don't you grab one, babe?
Okay.
Bone apple teeth.
Yeah.
Have you used the TV yet?
Yeah.
So this TV swivels around. For those of you that haven't seen this floor plan, I think it's sold at 100 different locations across the country if you guys do want to check it out. And if it's not there yet, it will be soon. They just made a huge shipment out across the country, but it's pretty cool to have that swiveled inside and outside. And hopefully right now you're looking at a little bit of B-roll. We actually didn't purchase too much for the actual kitchen aspect. Kind of kept the regular like TikTok sink. I mean, you got your cup cleaner, the waterfall, the soap dispenser. hitting those dishes from all angles. But other than that, the pantry, we'll show them what snacks we got cooking looking. Because we got plenty. We got the 4 kids. 3 of them came down with us. I could have strangled her yesterday because she found a way to spend $300 for a 3.5-day trip.
And the food was already almost gone. I had to do a second trip today. Like, he just doesn't understand. These kids eat like locusts.
Like locusts?
A swarm of locusts.
They are like a swarm of locusts. Oh, one thing we did get in here that I think is going pretty well. We got Travelfy. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cycling out different products. Some of these people will pay me to do reviews. Some of them will just give me one. Other ones I'm going to be buying myself. I just got the Moonshade, which is a 9x9 tent that looked really cool. Suction cups onto the side of your camper. That's got big potential, but I'll be doing a review of that. But the Travelfy so far, we've had the kids. They got the Xbox hooked up over in the corner. We kind of tucked it away. It was obviously with the kids. They're making a mess of the place. But they were gaming out online with their buddies and talking all from the Travelfy, which I thought was pretty cool because I did test it on the Wi-Fi here at the campground. The campground Wi-Fi is strong enough to play Netflix, not strong enough to play Xbox. Yeah. So that was kind of a savior on our sanity. You know, we got the blankets. This was initially my daughter's, you know, kind of hangout heaven, but she's been sleeping with us up in the bedroom most nights. But she loves it there. We do still need to buy a ladder. So if you guys have something that works for that, we would love to hear your suggestions there. Sofa, obviously it's pulling out. Got a really nice green pillow. Thanks to Babe. Talk to me about the decor, baby. Oh, the alien tape. Let's put on these little boob lights first. Got the golden cheetah.
Yeah, of course.
Wiggle that thing a little bit for us, baby. No, not that.
Wiggle what? Everything is held on pretty solid with the alien tape. And
really
of course
is.
I had to have my crystals.
Yeah, those are even alien tape down too.
Yeah, everything is secured.
We haven't turned on the fireplace yet though, I'm surprised. Well, I guess it's 86 out. But I'm surprised you haven't had it on for like cosmetics.
Oh, I wanted to last night, but I was scared you were going to yell at me because you were complaining how hot it was.
Well, I mean, we wouldn't turn on the fireplace, but yeah, if you would have turned that on. I think one of the favorite things that we got from the home goods trip that also kind of killed my soul, much like the Walmart trip the other day, is this, what's his name, babe? What are we naming him?
Remington III.
Remington III, right there. One of the fanciest, most regal bucks. And then Jen actually handmade that when she purchased it from Home Goods.
Yeah, I handmade it home, carrying it into the house.
So far, how are you liking the floor plans? Anything that you would change? Do you think so far so good?
So far so good. It's been great being able to partition off the wall and shut the kids in at night when they're still up late gaming and we're ready for bed. And while they're playing video games, our daughter sits up here at the bar and watches the TV there while she has her snacks or 7th meal of the day. That
was pretty cool. She was awake at like 7 o'clock this morning, just sitting there, eating her little snacks, watching her TV. It felt pretty cool.
Yeah.
Show the patio here. I know I kind of just clipped on it, but we got our little Alliance towel right there from the Alliance rally where I brought the Sabre. This is the first real trip, you know. Come on, look at that black. So look at that. There's a little birdie hanging out on there. So we also got the LED giant yard pong. I'll show you guys that here too. Maybe later we'll bust it out. But the kids are going to have a fun time with that. No. Dude.
They're having fun on the golf cart.
Yeah, let's just take a second here and discuss this. Come here, babe. So we asked the kids if they could just go right around the golf court. Go to hoops. There's pools with waterfalls.
Yeah.
I mean, there's like literally everything you could possibly want as a child to do here. Yesterday we had them do tie-dyes. But we just said, hey, can we get 20 minutes? And I'm sure most parents could relate. That's like the 4th time they've driven by. Hey, are you guys done yet?
I know.
Hey, I know you said 20, but it's been 3. Are you done yet? But, you know. Oh, babe, should we show them the flashlight?
Sure.
Look at this. So this was a camper purchase. Nebo. So $70 at Ace Hardware. I had to pick up something for the hitch, which I wish I had my RV here. I got the Demco Stealth Recon. It's the industry's first foldable hitch. Drives really well. I think they're like $1,200, you know, roughly, depending on, you know, kind of if you get like the rubber stoppers or anything like that. I do like that. But this light right here, I'm not going to be able to show it off, but And look at this thing. Actually, I shouldn't do that. That actually hurt my eye. Just like you're in the sun, you're not supposed to stare right at it. There I was, just burned a hole in my retinas. What do we got in the bathroom? Anything?
No. Just bought a bath mat, and we have our towels rolled up in the pull-out linen closet.
What kind of shampoo does Babe use? Oh, did you hear what the people said?
The cheap travel kind from the travel section in the dollar bin.
Yeah, we need to hit it big. Might have hit it a little bit bigger today, though. We got some special announcements coming up. High five. Some congratulations are in order for us here pretty soon. Got a couple things to announce, so we're excited to do that. And one thing, here you go, babe. Will you hold this real quick?
Yes.
Because the people are going to be stoked for this. Go on this side if you don't mind. Oh, this side would be good.
All right. Okay.
We'll do the dance. We'll do the dance. What are we doing? What are we doing?
I don't know.
I don't know either. So, I've been saying for probably 2 years now that I've been waiting until I hit 100,000 subscribers to get the drone. And that's when Babe would let me buy the drone. Well, we're a little bit early, but we're in the car the other day. I did my first campground video, and the time has come. The Mavic Pro 4, baby. Look at this thing. And I just want to show you just the lens on this. Tell me I'm not about to be stepping up my game with that. Woo! I'm going to be chirping gears like... Let's put this back on before I break it, before I use it. But very excited for that. Got one of the nicest drones that I could find. So we're super excited there. Babe, what are we reading this week?
Honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle?
Yep, and you're reading the 4-Hour Work Week.
I don't know. See, people think you're laughing because the 4-hour work week part, but you're laughing because I've been reading it for 2 years.
I know.
Yeah. So far, the air conditioners, we got a little bit of condensation going on right there, but it really hasn't been, everything about the ACs has been great so far, don't you think?
Yeah, they've been doing their job big time.
Yeah, 2 ACs. Matter of fact, we've been turning them down because it's actually gotten colder than it needs, and I think 2 days ago it was 91 degrees. So pretty exciting that we did go with the Furrion Chill Cube, the 18Ks, and there's 2 of them. Obviously with 2 ACs, the risk is the size of this RV. But man, I mean, I think it could be a good bit warmer and we still wouldn't have an issue.
Yeah.
So pretty darn excited for that. You know, we got kind of got stuff filtering in, but again, we're kind of leaning on you for decorations, different odd and ends items. Like I just did a tour with a guy, Joe Riggs, who does window tinting.
Yep.
Good dude. Might get our windows tinted here soon. But he had these little baskets that he got off of like Costco or Amazon, and he put them right there, and he's putting like their bananas and their clementines and things like that.
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty cool.
Found great alternative storage wherever they could in the RV.
Yeah, and that's
great ideas.
That's what we're really looking forward to, and that's what I want to show off. I just think it'd be really cool to do a ton of different parts. So if you think there's something that you've been thinking about buying them, I might as well reach out to them and see if they'll send me one to show you. What else you got here, babe? Anything else?
Not really that I can think of yet.
I actually still, this has been awesome.
Yeah.
The trash can has been killer to have it right there because then it just simply goes away. Got the spice rack. Got PB&J burgers we got coming up cooking.
I did get like the soda can divider things, which we don't even have these in our house, but I got them for here and they have been awesome, which as you can see they're empty because our teenagers have just drained them.
Yeah, the old, what is it, Baja or whatever they like?
Yeah, that Baja Mountain Dew and Fresca.
But, all right, guys, just wanted to show you our rig. Appreciate you. I guess this is the first real used tour of the 38 RV Hunter. Still crazy to say.
Yeah. We are loving it.
We are loving it. Life is going good. The floor plan is working out really well. Yeah. I think at first we were a little bit nervous, even when making the decision to not have a dedicated bunk model, but the 2 pull-out couches, the drop-down bunk. It's really been great. Even the kids are talking about having one of their buddies come and sleep over today.
Yeah, they're loving it. They even said today, Mom, we could do this full time. They love it. So.
I don't think we could do this full time.
I couldn't do it with them full time.
No, with I mean, I could do this full time. Don't get me wrong. We probably will do like a wild thornberries type thing here in like, we're like 15 years away.
Not that far away.
Oh, you think Relly will be able to survive on her own when she's like 8?
No, we'll take her along. You got to have a Donnie in the group.
Yeah, you heard it here first. Our youngest will be our maid. All right, guys. Have a great day. See ya.
ya.